Welcome to our production site in Brooklyn Park, part of Takeda's global manufacturing network. We're more than 400 dedicated employees working 24/7 to produce products for oncology and gastroenterology therapies. Our strength is rooted in Takeda's more than 240 years of history and sustained by our values that we live every day. Patients First guides everything we do when producing life-transforming treatments. And our why is simple. We serve patients so that they can live the lives they want, so that families and communities can thrive. For more than a decade, we have invested in continuous improvement at Brooklyn Park by embracing data-driven decisions, advanced automation, and digital technologies. Over these past 10 years, Takeda has invested more than $250 million in the site, including $130 million initial investment and a recent $40 million warehouse expansion, demonstrating Takeda's commitment to Minnesota. As a manufacturing site, we are aware of our impact on the environment and the use of natural resources. To support Takeda's ambitious climate goal to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions in its operations by 2035, the site has achieved an approximately 55% reduction in emissions since 2016. Today, 20% of the site's energy needs are supplied by an on-site photovoltaic system. In the coming years, Brooklyn Park is expected to see further innovation, expanding capabilities and serving more patients, supporting Takeda's purpose of better health for people and a brighter future for the world.